We're staying in our metal plate underscore 001.dwg file. And in the previous video, we set up our gradient fills for the section view and the side view in our metal plate drawing. Now, the problem we've got is our gradient fills have ended up on top of that nice hatch pattern that we placed in the section view. So we need to change the draw order and make it look better, basically. Now, if I come in and hover, can you see that the hatch pattern kind of highlights there? As I come in, the hatch pattern highlights. When the hatch pattern highlights like that, just left click. And you'll see that it will either select the gradient fill or the hatch pattern. Now, the good thing about that, can you see I know which one is which? Because if I look at the pattern settings here, that's my gradient fill. You can tell by the colors and so on. So what I want to do there with that is I want to make sure that that gradient fill goes to the back. It goes behind the hatch pattern. Now, with it selected, the good thing is it's all one object. Remember, we made sure it was either one hatch pattern or one gradient fill. So I just now right click, and on the shortcut menu, I go to draw order and I send it to the back. As you can see now, the gradient fill is behind the hatch pattern. It all stands out and looks really nice now. And you can still see the green dash hidden detail lines as well. So it all stands out really well. What you might want to do as well is come down to the side view, click on the gradient fill there, and again, just right click, draw order, and send to back. Just to make sure that the hidden detail lines, the green dash lines, are in front of that gradient fill. And you can see now how that really enhances those views. If you zoom out slightly, look how that stands out in the drawing. It's really obvious and easy to find in the drawing now. So that's working with the draw order in your AutoCAD drawings. Now that can apply to hatches, gradient fills, even just objects on top of each other as well. Lines, arcs, circles. You can make sure that certain things stand out in the drawing and certain things don't by using the draw order tools on the shortcut menu.